Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Coliseum, here to do an unboxing of the Gamevice Flex. So this is, like it shows, it's basically a game controller that you connect over your phone. Now the interesting thing is that it does use USB-C. You can see the little port there on it, so then you have to have a device that's compatible with it, with that type of USB-C. So it doesn't work with the Pixels. I don't know, something with the OTG doesn't quite work with them, so I've had to fire up my old Huawei, and we'll give it a try with that when I go through it. But let's take a look at it as we unbox it first. Alright, what comes in here? So you do need to get the companion app for it as well. And there's a quick start guide, obviously, to download the app. But it's really pushing the Xbox, as it has, you know, the Xbox button there. You can, and then it has, you can get a Play Pass on Android now. So let's take a look here. So let's see what else is in the box. Quick start guide. We've got some manuals, discussion about the Game Pass. We've got an adapter selector. I'll have to read about that. And oh, look at, there's all the adapters. Adapter left, adapter right, adapter phone adapter. There we go. So interesting. I'll see how that works out. But let's take a look at this part. We just flip this open here, I think. How does this open? Maybe I can take a look at my quick start guide. Where did I put that? Case adapters. Yeah, so those are the case adapters that go on the left-hand side to give you some space, because not every phone is exactly the same. But yeah, okay. And there's the pass-through charger. We can plug that in and get devices to charge while it's plugged in. There's the USB-C port. Headphone jack. So again, that's going to need some device. If you don't already have a headphone jack, that's kind of neat. Yeah, but how do we get to the part? That's the important thing. Does it? Oh, there we go. And it opens up. So it's actually a little strap. So if I take out my Huawei, oh, can I plug that in? And then how do I get this to stretch to hold on? And then, yeah, so I need this on. It's a little clunky. It's not fitting there, so I guess I need an adapter to put in there so it settles in nicely. But does this power on? Doesn't know that it's powered on yet. Anyways, I will play around with it. I'll let you all know what I make of it. Okay, thanks. Talk soon.